Hello everybody, today I will show you how to download and install Fortnite in your PC. Follow me for easy methods. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. If you have Microsoft Store, click and open it. Go to search bar, type Epic Games Store and install it. If you don't use Microsoft Store, try method 2. Go to Chrome browser, copy the link from description and paste it there. Click on download option. Click on download via Epic Games Launcher. After it is downloaded, click on show in folder. Click and open Epic installer. You can change the destination folder. Choose the destination folder as you like. Click on OK. Click on install. Click on yes. It will take some time to install. Click on yes again. It will verify the update and install it. Install the update. After the installation, Epic Games Store will open. Now there will be sign in or sign up option. If you are new to Epic Games, sign up. Already have an account, sign in. After sign in, open Epic Games. Go to search bar. Type Fortnite. Click on continue if it asks for each permission. Click on get. Allow all the permissions. Click on place order. Click on view library. See that your game has been added to library. You can change the install location from here. Click on install. That's it. Your game will start downloading. Thanks for watching.